India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Monday unveiled the Union Budget for fiscal year 2021-22 that aims to shore up the pandemic-hit economy. Sitharaman proposed doubling healthcare spending and lifted caps on foreign direct investment in the vast insurance market. The budget also focuses on infrastructure spending as well as plans for bank recapitalization, among others.
India proposed doubling healthcare spending in its annual budget unveiled on Monday and lifted caps on foreign direct investment in its vast insurance market to help revive an economy that suffered its deepest recorded slump as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. Delivering her budget statement to the Parliament, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman projected a fiscal deficit of 6.8% of gross domestic product or GDP for financial year 2021-22. The current year was expected to end with a deficit of 9.5%, she said, well up from the 7% expected earlier. Sitharaman proposed increasing healthcare spending to $30.20 billion to help improve public health systems, as well as the huge COVID-19 vaccination drive. She also allocated $2.74 billion to recapitalize state-run banks that are saddled with bad loans and have been a drag on growth. She said, among other measures, the foreign direct investment cap for the insurance sector would be increased to 74% from the current 49%.
I would like to say that the investment on health infrastructure in this budget has increased substantially. Progressively, as institutions absorb more, we shall commit more.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the union budget, saying it has the vision of self-reliance and addresses all sections of the society while keeping farmers and villages at its heart. His statement came amid ongoing pharmacist protests against the new farm laws that liberalize agriculture sector.
देश में एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर को मजबूती देने के लिए, किसानों की आय बढ़ाने के लिए इस बजट में बहुत जोर दिया गया है, कई प्रावधान किए गए हैं। एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में किसानों को और आसानी से और ज्यादा ऋण मिल सकेगा। देश की मंडियों को यानी एपीएमसी को और मजबूत करने के लिए, सशक्त करने के लिए एग्रीकल्चर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड से मदद का प्रावधान किया गया है।
Meanwhile, Indian stock markets extended gains soon after the budget was announced, and market players said they were relieved the finance minister had not announced any tax hikes.